also love corn. Now guys, do you think Dazzle has the ability to find a hidden object? If it's yes, then say, you can do it, Dazzle!
You can do it!
Go, Dazzle, find a hidden object for us. Okay, try again. Action!
Let's go, bro!
Now for our next featured birds are just like any married couple. Right? But as any couple will attest, in a relationship, there will always be battles. Meet Sassy and Rocky, our beautiful pair of green ako, and today, they will battle out to see who's the best in a basket with me. But before we start this battle, I'll be dividing you into two groups. All the girls will cheer for Sassy. The girls up here say, Sassy, Sassy. And all the boys will cheer for Rocky. The boys up here say, Rocky, Rocky. Alright, birds ready, players ready, set, go! What is first ball? Follow me by Sassy. What a close game! What do you see about the trainer shell? You guys missed time. Hold it, we want another race. Oh, she wants another race, trainer boy?
Are you sure about that? Do you want Sassy to lose again?
This time I guarantee you that Sassy will win.
So what race do you have in mind?
I want a re-race.
And why is the race?
The first bird who can drop feelings into the pool, the fastest is the winner. And that is the re-race.
So a race it shall be. Remember guys that boys already have 1 point. So girls, let's cheer louder for Sassy to win this time. We'll be doing this again. And this time our race. Ready, set, go! Okay, what's happening? Sassy, pick up the race. First step. And the winner is Sassy. What do you say about the trainer Mark? 3 leads at the same time.
Hey, you guys cheated!
You cheated!
No, we didn't cheat. Sassy used her brain.
So it's true that girls are more intelligent than boys? Around us around Sassy between your Mark and trainer Rochelle. Parents are particularly known to be intelligent and perceptive. That's why we continue to enhance their skills in active work. So, here's Sassy once again, and she will show us how intelligent she is by putting the ship back the way it's called right now. Just like Sassy, green macos are from South America. They are the two gentle giants of the parrot family. It is because they are the second largest next to the highest sea macos. They can grow up to 92 centimeters back and deep up to 8 years old. Scientists name is Arachnoptera. They usually feed on seeds, nuts, Well, let's see. Let's call our one bird. Buddy. Buddy's also our look at that too. Buddy flies over. Let's go, buddy. And he gets the money and flies back. And I think Buddy will donate the money. Around the score bar. Sir, before you go, I have a question for you. Did you know that Manila Ocean Park is also a rescue center for birds? Well, your money will go a long way. We are very grateful. Thank you so much. You may now take your seat and enjoy the rest of the show. How about 1,000 pesos to the side? Anyone?
Tayo pa!
No more?
Tayo!
Sir, are you okay? You look so sad. Sir, we're just kidding. It's just part of the show. Sir, Bobby say something before Bobby gives your money back. He wants to give you a kiss. Okay? Okay, sir, stand right here. Look at the camera and offer your cheek. Smile. Nice. How about your hands? Look at the camera. And there is your money. Around us for volunteer and buddy. Ladies and gentlemen, now that you have seen our colorful and intelligent parrots, we would like to show you another species of bird here in Manila Ocean Park. Birds of prey, also known as raptors, hunt and feed by other eagle owl. Here comes Hope. Scientific name is Homo pilopesis. These birds can be found in Bohol, Samar, Leyte, Catanduanes, and possibly in Cebuya. Wow, look at that! And meet our brownie guy. Here comes Speed. Brownie guys are also known as Haliastor aegus, one of 446 species of birds of prey around the world. These birds can be found in India, Indonesia, Bangladesh, Pakistan, along China, including the Philippines. And here comes Shadow. They're locally known as Labi or Bandon in Visayas region. Everyone, here comes our chickens. Wow, look at that. And as you can see, we have our homing pigeons. Homing pigeons is an innate homing ability, meaning they will generally return to its nest and mate. Our applause for our raptors, our chickens, and their homing pigeons. Here in the Ocean Park, we believe there's hope. We only not try to take care of the friends in the sea, but also for those who are landing there as well. Now guys, who knows the 3 R's? It's reduce. See, if our numbers can do it, so can we. Ladies and gentlemen, hope you all enjoy the show. Here, let's be buddy. Their name is Luna. Their mark with Shadow. And once again, after your April, thank you and goodbye. Bye guys, please remain seated because we still have a sea lion show. Once again, please remain seated because we still have a sea lion show. Thank you.
Bird show is done, finish na. So eagle na lang, hindi pa lumalapit sa trainer niya. Okay, I hope you enjoy I hope nag-enjoy kayo sa thank you po.
Don't be shy, girl. Her name is Jenny. Together with trainer Mark, say hello. Now let's continue. So guys, do you have any idea why are they called pink or feather-footed marine mammals? Any idea? Do they have feathers? Well, let's ask them. Guys, do you have feathers? The answer is no. It's actually because of their front flippers, which are shaped like a bird's wing. See those?
the term pinnipeds may also be translated as swing-footed, since their flippers do look somewhat like wings. In fact, they appear to be flying underwater from place to place, right guys? And you know, they often be